Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter Symmetry for class 7th. So let us understand this. Have you seen any butterfly? Can we tear this image into two equal halves? Yes, by drawing a line exactly middle of this image of butterfly. So it will looks half left part and this half is right part of this butterfly. Similarly, when a smiley is there, also we can draw the two halves of this smiley by drawing this line vertically. So this is the two equal halves which are looks exactly same. In both the figures we are having left and right, both the parts are same about this line. Similarly here also this line divides this image exactly two equal halves, that is whatever the figure drawn on the left side of this line, same is at the right side of this line. So yeah, this is one important concept in geometry. If we fold any figure in half such that the two halves exactly match, then the figure is known as symmetrical figure. Symmetry. This concept is very important, and as in the previous example, like a butterfly, in nature also we can observe the symmetrical objects. Its importance in various fields like architecture, professionals, designers of clothes or jewelry, car manufacturers, and many other such fields where this concept of symmetry used. So today we are going to start symmetry for the geometric figures. So the line which divide any object, any figure into two equal halves, that both the halves are the identical. So this lines which divides is known as line of symmetry, or it is also called as axis of symmetry. Now can we have the figure having more than one line of symmetry? Yes. Let us take an example. As we are observing, this is a design. Now if we draw the vertical line exactly middle of this design, so what we are getting? We are getting two equal halves, that both the halves are identical. Similarly, when we draw a horizontal line to this design, again we get both upper and lower parts of this axis of symmetry are again equal or identical. Also we can draw a line diagonally to this design. So again we get the two identical parts. Similarly, in this diagonal also we can draw. So that means in this image where it is a design, it has more than one line of symmetry. two diagonal lines of symmetry and one vertical and one horizontal line. That means we can say the total four line of symmetries for this figure we can draw. This line symmetry is also we observe in the numbers, as we are observing here. All the digits from 0 to 9 is written, and 0, 3 and 8 on these three numbers for which we can draw the axis of symmetry. Similarly, as we have alphabets, also we can draw the axis of symmetry on the alphabets, horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Some alphabets having more than one line of symmetries. This concept of line of symmetry, it is very near to the mirror reflection, as you see your image in the mirror, but it is not exactly that what we are. Our left hand in the mirror image, it will not the left side part. So a shape has line symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. Mirror image also we can understand by the line of symmetry, as if we place an object in front of the mirror, so same image we get inside the mirror. So this line where we are getting the two equal parts, so this mirror line, this is the mirror line for this, where we can say these two are the identical parts. So this also line of symmetry or axis of symmetry, or we can say mirror line. In this figure also we have the mirror line. So here the line of symmetry is also known as mirror line. Now we can draw the line of symmetries in regular polygons also, like this. In a regular triangle, that is equilateral triangle, has 3 line of symmetries. Square has 4 line of symmetries. Regular pentagon has how many? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 line of symmetries. In the same way, regular hexagon and regular octagon. If we count that this is the triangle having the 3 line segments, has the 3 lines of symmetry. Similarly, in the square, it is a polygon of 4-sided. So it has 4 line of symmetries. That means we can conclude that the regular polygons have line of symmetries equal to the number of sides, or we can say angles that they have. So here we have the concept of symmetry, that when we fold a paper or any object or any image into exactly 2 equal halves, then the figures are known as symmetrical figures, or this concept is the symmetry. This line which divides the figure or image into 2 equal halves is known as the axis of symmetry or line of symmetry.